Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will going to start a new topic, the relational or comparison operator in Python. In the last video we discussed about the operators in Python, what is the operators and types of the operators and arithmetic operators. We also did some programs and did some scenarios. If you haven't watched it, please do watch. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the future updates. Let's start today's topic, the relational or comparison operators. The relational or comparison operators used to compare two values or variables and return true or false. For comparing two variables or values, we are using equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So why we are using the relational operators? For the relational operators, there is some key features. The comparison operators always return true or false. Mostly else if block, we are using the comparison operator, essential for the decision making. It's very important for the real world. So let's do some programs on basis of relational operators. I'm creating here the two variables, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. So let's do the comparison. So first let's compare the equal and non-equal. So I'm just doing here the equal operators, a double equal to b and not equal, a not equal to b. If a double equal to b, then it's returning true. If not, then it's return false. And the second one, a not equal to b. If a is not equal to b, then it's returning true. If equal, then returning here the false. So let's run this program. Let's open the terminal and write here python space file name. Now you can see here the first one, the equal operator, a double equal to b, you are returning here the false, and the second one, not equal operator, a not equal to b, then returning here the true, because 5 is not equal to 10. So that's the reason here returning the false. Let's compare a and b, less than equal to and greater than equal to. So far the less than or equal to, we are using like this, a is less than or equal to b, and the second one, the greater than or equal to, a greater than or equal to b. If this one is true, a is less than b, a's value is 5 and b's value is 10. So 5 is less than or equal to 10, that's the true. Then this one returning as a true. 5 is greater than 10, no. So then this one return as a false. Let's run this program and see. Now you can see here less than or equal to true, greater than or equal to false. Now let's check for a is less than b or a is greater than b. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 10. So 5 is less than 10, that means true here. And the second one, a is greater than b. So here the 5 is greater than 10, no. So that's the reason this one written as a false. Let's run this program. Now you can see here less than is equal to 2 and greater than is equal to false. Let's do some scenarios to compare number to number, number to float, number to string, and number to boolean, and number to none type. Okay, so I'm creating some programs here. You can see here. Let's run this program so you can see the result. So now you can see here the result scenario. You can create for the not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or greater than. For this type of the scenario you can create it and you can just run the program in your system and you can see the what the output for that one. If you have any doubt, please add your comment, so I will reply your comments or I will provide the solution for that. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. So next video we will discuss about the logical operators. We can discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.